If you want to delete the Facebook app on your iPhone, okay, don't worry. I'm going to break down the steps in a simple way so you can do it right here in a few seconds. First thing, what you're going to want to do is go to your home screen and look for the Facebook app icon. Once you find it, go ahead and press and hold the app icon. Keep holding for a bit until you see options pop up. Now you're going to see Remove App over here. Tap on it. Okay. After that, you'll see another option that says Delete App. Go ahead and tap Delete App. Now your iPhone will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete again to make sure you really want to remove it. Wow, that's it. The Facebook app would be removed from your iPhone already. This method would delete the app but keep your Facebook account safe, so you can always download it again later and log back in. If you're trying to free up storage or fix issues, this is a quick and smart way to do it. If you want to double-check, let me check with you. Just search for Facebook again on your phone and you won't find it anymore. Anyways, this is the easiest way to delete Facebook on iPhone. Make sure you follow each step ahead and take your time doing it properly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I would like to help.